Open the VIOFO app. Tap to enter the camera. Go to Settings. Click Parking Recording. Select Parking Mode and choose Hybrid Parking Mode. Select the first option. Pop up. Please set vehicle battery protection. This setting is a signal for the camera to switch from standard parking mode to low power impact parking mode based on the time or voltage value you set. Click the vehicle battery protection setting. Two options: cutoff time and cutoff voltage. If you set cutoff time as 1 hour, the camera will record under standard parking mode for 1 hour. Then the camera will enter low power impact parking mode. If you set the cutoff voltage as 12.4 volts, the camera will record under standard parking mode when the car battery voltage is higher than 12.4 volts. If the car battery voltage is lower than 12.4 volts, the camera will enter low power impact parking mode. Cutoff time and cutoff voltage don't conflict. Whichever limit is reached first is the one the camera obeys. For the standard parking mode, we always suggest low bitrate parking mode. Tips: when you use hybrid parking mode, please be sure to set the parking G sensor as high sensitivity. If you set auto event detection parking mode as standard, we suggest you set the parking motion detection to medium sensitivity or low sensitivity.